Hello guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to view inbox and send messages in your Amazon account. So let's begin. First, go to the official website and log into your account. And if you're quite lost or confused on where you can navigate and read your messages here in Amazon, fear not, I will help you. So click here on your profile icon, which says your account and list or just your name. Click on that and it will show your account settings in here. So you have a lot of options. If you want to check your images, or what I mean is your inbox, here, your messages, view or respond to images from Amazon sellers and buyers. And there you go. You have your inbox and sent messages over here from all messages to buyer and seller messages. That's it. I hope you found this video very helpful.